Ever feel like your stress levels are on the rise? Could your day use a little more tranquility? Welcome to our guide on managing stress and anxiety through the power of breathing. We'll introduce you to techniques that can provide relief from the weight of daily stress and anxiety, improving your overall well-being. These methods are all about harnessing the power of your breath to instill a sense of calm and peace. So, are you ready to breathe your way to a calmer, more peaceful state of mind? First up, we have deep diaphragmatic breathing. To begin this technique, find a comfortable position, whether that's sitting or lying down. Now place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Take a moment to become aware of your natural breathing pattern. Ready? Now inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, feeling your abdomen rise. Then, exhale through your mouth for a count of 4, feeling your abdomen fall. The key here is to focus on the movement of your abdomen while keeping chest movement to a minimum. This technique encourages full oxygen exchange, and believe it or not, it's a fast track to a calmer state of mind. Keep practicing this method and you'll find yourself more in tune with your body's natural rhythms and perhaps even a little bit less stressed. And just like that, you've taken your first step towards a more peaceful state of mind. Next, we have the 4-7-8 breathing technique. It's simple yet powerful, and it's all about timing. First, find a comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and let your body relax. Now, gently inhale through your nose to the count of 4. Hold that breath in, counting up to 7. Finally, exhale slowly and fully through your mouth for a count of 8. This cycle completes one breath. The beauty of this technique is in its rhythm. The pattern of counting as you breathe helps to focus your mind, drawing your attention away from stressors and towards your own natural rhythm. This technique is particularly effective for reducing anxiety, as it encourages a slower, deeper style of breathing that promotes a sense of calm. It is also a wonderful aid for those struggling to fall asleep. With practice, this technique will become second nature, helping you unwind and sleep better. Now, let's move on to box breathing or square breathing. This method is a wonderful tool that you can use anytime, anywhere to help you regain focus during stressful moments. To begin, sit with your back straight and imagine a box in your mind. Each side of the box represents one step of the process. Start by inhaling through your nose for a count of 4. That's the first side of your box. Hold your breath for another count of 4. That's the second side. Now, exhale through your mouth for a count of 4, forming the third side of the box. Lastly, pause for 4 counts before you breathe in again, creating the final side of your box. Repeat this process as needed. This technique encourages a deep sense of calm, helping you to clear your mind and regain focus. With box breathing, you'll find clarity amidst chaos. Next, we'll explore alternate nostril breathing, or Nadi Shodhana. This ancient technique from the yogic tradition is known for its ability to balance the mind and body. To start, sit comfortably with your back straight. Your right thumb and ring finger will serve as your nostril regulators. Close your right nostril with your thumb, inhale deeply through your left nostril, then close it with your ring finger. Open your right nostril and exhale slowly. Next, inhale through the right nostril, close it, and exhale through the open left nostril. This completes one cycle. Continue this pattern, breathing in serenity and exhaling any stress or tension. The beauty of alternate nostril breathing is that it helps balance both sides of the brain, creating harmony within. It can reduce stress, improve your attention span, and enhance your emotional well-being. So, the next time you're feeling out of sync, remember this technique. Alternate nostril breathing truly offers a mind-body balance. Now let's combine breathing with guided visualization. This powerful technique merges deep, mindful breathing with the imagination to create a sanctuary of peace within you. Start by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, filling your lungs with air, then slowly exhale. As you continue this rhythmic breathing, begin to paint a picture in your mind. Perhaps it's a serene beach at sunset, the rhythmic waves washing away your worries, or maybe a lush forest, the rustling leaves whispering tranquility into your soul. Whatever your peaceful place is, visualize it in vivid detail. Feel the sensations, Smell the scents, hear the sounds. With each inhale, breathe in the tranquility of this place, and with each exhale, let go of any tension or stress. This practice can transport your mind to a serene state, far removed from the chaos of daily life. With guided visualization, tranquility is just a breath away. Lastly, let's explore the humming breath or Brahmari pranayama. This technique is simple yet incredibly effective. To start, find a peaceful spot and settle into a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in and, as you exhale, make a humming sound, much like a bee. Keep your mouth closed and feel the vibrations in your throat and chest. These resonating vibrations have a calming effect on the mind and body, much like a soothing lullaby for your nervous system. The humming breath is a fantastic tool in your stress management kit. Not only does it help to alleviate stress and anxiety, but it also soothes the nervous system, promoting a deep sense of calm. It's like giving your mind a gentle, calming massage, helping you to disconnect from the chaos of the outside world. With the humming breath, you can literally hum your stress away. And there you have it, 6 powerful breathing techniques to help manage stress and anxiety. From deep diaphragmatic breathing to the tranquility of guided visualization, each method offers a unique path to relaxation and clarity. The transformative power of these techniques lies in their regular practice, so make them a part of your daily routine. So breathe deeply, relax, and remember. Just a few minutes of these exercises can make a profound difference in your day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. And do let us know how these techniques worked for you in the comments below.